Culinary and Wine Heritage. Agra Italian Academy. Module Presentation. Learning Objectives. Understand the historical and cultural significance of Italian culinary traditions. Recognize regional differences in gastronomy and wine production. Identify food and wine pairing principles. Appreciate the role of heritage in hospitality experiences. Italian culinary heritage. Culinary diversity across 20 Italian regions. Influence of geography, history, and local ingredients. Importance of traditional recipes as part of cultural identity. Examples: pasta alla norma, risotto alla milanese, pesto genovese. Wine heritage and classification. Italian wine system, DOC, DOCG, and IGT labels. Key wine regions: Tuscany, Piedmont, Veneto, Sicily. Terroir and traditional winemaking practices. Wine as an expression of territory and culture. Food and wine pairing principles. Balance of flavors, acidity, sweetness, tannins, and texture. Regional harmony. Local dishes with local wines. Examples: Barolo with braised beef, Vermentino with seafood. Enhancing guest experience through storytelling. Promoting culinary heritage in hospitality. Use local products in restaurant menus. Organize food and wine tasting events. Collaborate with local producers and vineyards. Create immersive cultural dining experiences. Assignment overview. Choose a traditional Italian dish and a regional wine. Research their history, preparation, and pairing logic. Present or submit a report highlighting cultural relevance. Reflect on how this heritage enriches hospitality. Evaluation criteria. Research depth and accuracy 30%. Presentation and structure 25%. Connection between food and wine 25%. Creativity and cultural insight 20%. Next lesson. Global Food and Wine Trends. Agra Italian Academy. Module Presentation.